Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this blog is all about my much needed staycation at the luxurious property JW Marriott Golfire Resort and Spa, Bangalore. I started my journey in the early morning from Bangalore. I had already pre-booked an outstation Ola which made things super convenient. The ride to the property was smooth and the cab fare came to around 1200 to 1500, which was totally worth it for a relaxed and hassle-free trip start. So come along as I take you through my experience at this beautiful resort, from the stunning interiors to the relaxing spa and everything in between. Let's get started. The property is spread across 22 acres in the serene foothills of Nandi Hills, just a 20-minute drive from Kempegoda International Airport. The moment I entered the resort, the welcome was just amazing. They offered me a refreshing mocktail right away, which was really tasty. And if you prefer something else, they even had that option like beer and cocktails. Totally your choice. My check-in time was supposed to be around 1 p.m., but I reached early and they gave me an early check-in. So here comes the room tour. So this is what we are having inside our room. So we have a bed along with a couch, and we have lamps in both the sides as well as a standing floor lamp, and we have a huge mirror here where we can click so many good pictures. And then we have a TV over here. And coming to the washroom area, this is the walk-in wardrobe, and we have a mirror here. So this place is the crockery section. We have like fridge at the bottom area here. Inside it we have all the beverages. Here we have all the glasses and the coffee station along with a mirror as well. And this is the wardrobe area. So here comes the washroom. So what I love about Marriott always is its washroom. They actually plan their washrooms very nicely so that everybody can have a great view as well. So this is the wash machine area, and this is me. So that's the bathtub area. So let me open the sheet to show you the view. So along this we have two segments over here. This is the loop area and this is the shower area. So this is the overall room tour. So it has a attached balcony as well. So let me show you that. So before going to the balcony area, let me first show you the view of from this bathtub and the bathroom area. So let me find the switch, or how can it get open. So we have cotton blinds. Yes. Wow, such a beautiful view it has. This is the balcony setup they have, and I mean, it is so pretty. It's actually in the Nandi Hills and it is looking so damn good. I'll just have a bath because since morning I started traveling from Bangalore, I didn't had anything. I just had a breakfast and I'm really very tired now. I didn't sleep last night, so now I'm going to have a shower, have a bath, then we'll meet you. So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं प्रॉपर्टी टूर के लिए. अभी तक हम लोगों ने एक भी जगह देखा नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं. तो now we are heading towards the lobby. The location was amazing. It's calm, green, and the view of Nandi Hills is just beautiful. There are multiple restaurants and cafes here where you can try different types of food, Indian, continental, and lots more. One of the standout features here is their personalized service. A dedicated staff member was assigned to me throughout my stay. They provided a guided tour of the entire property using their complimentary buggy service.
Playing, sketching, you can do, because it's a small mindful area where you can rejuvenate yourself and do what you want. away from all the chaos.
From the expensive golf course to the luxurious presidential suites, spa, jacuzzi area, and more, they ensured I didn't miss a thing. What's even more impressive is their commitment to guest convenience. The assigned staff member was always just a message away on WhatsApp.
This is the man-made lake that we have on the right hand side. So you also have view, and it's also a signature element in the property. Why I will let you all know. So the fish food is crafted into golf balls. Okay. It is on chargeable basis of 1,200 plus taxes, where they give you three balls, a set of three balls, which is eco-friendly. So you put it into the lake. So it's like a playing golf, but it's also feeding the.
Even if their shift ended, they made sure someone else was available to assist me, ensuring a seamless experience throughout.
KW. So this is a little similar, but we have kept it in separate places. Why I'll tell you. So they used to curate their own beverages, snacks from the garden, and then they used to have their karaoke and activities on the same side. So what we have done is we have got the garden. So the boating that I told you, it's right here. It starts from here. They take you for a nice big round, and you're back.
The resort offers a variety of activities, some like painting and the high tea experience called Halikate are complimentary and included in your package.
To keep those memories and activities alive throughout, since he has started such a huge legacy. He must not be knowing that what he has left back, but we are trying to keep it. We have the spa, we have the gym, and we have the entertainment zone. So, Sea Woodland. So basically, most of the time we have all our weddings or corporate events conducted here if they wanted to be in outdoors, and if it's indoors, we have our own conduct.
They had a famous and experienced artist guiding us through the session. He taught us some simple techniques, gave us tasks to complete, and made sure everyone, kids and adults, was enjoying themselves. It was a great mixture of learning and fun.
And if I tell you to do the backdrop, you might start doing like this.
What are you doing?
The whole vibe was fun and peaceful. After that, I attended the Halikate high tea experience, which they organize every day, and the snacks were really tasty too. Having your favorite snack right beside the pool with a stunning sunset is what everybody needs. They also had poetry sessions, tambola, and few other indoor and outdoor activities happening.
So I just came back to my room after that all events like the mandana painting, the high tea and everything. So now I will change my clothes and I'll go for golf sessions. It's already 6, so I'm running late. I'll directly change my clothes and then I'll meet you at the golf course. So I'm here guys in the golf course. It's so pretty. Actually, we don't have the professional certificate for playing it, so we are here in the common area where we have 3 holes. So let's enjoy.
But my favorite part, the golf session, and the sweetest gesture, they arranged a personal trainer just for us. He trained us step by step, and after a while, I was able to play quite well. It was such a cool experience, calm, fun, and something new for me.
Perfect shot. Perfect shot.
This is just the sundowner time, and see guys, what is the view. It is so pretty. This is the smallest pool, I guess. So we will be heading towards the bigger pool, the Flamingo Pool Bar. He's claiming that he is the champion of chess. So tomorrow we guys will be on a challenge, and who will lose, he or she will pay the bill for the lunch.
Brunch.
Okay, brunch, whatever it is. I wish he lose. So in case you guys want to have shopping or something, then they have Rareism and Rare Rabbit as well in their first floor, just beside the lobby. Coming back to the room, we have cute decoration here. Everywhere it is decorated. We have chocolates. Wow, lovely. And we have a cake. Woohoo! So we said that it's my friend's pre-birthday. So they have gifted us it's not a cake, it's a mousse. And this decoration.
After finishing all those fun activities, it was time to just relax and chill for a bit. So we headed over the Flamingo Pool Bar, which is located right next to their beautiful lagoon style pool. This pool area is super relaxing, surrounded by palm trees, cabanas, and really calm vibe. You can just sit by the pool and take a dip. At the Flamingo Bar, we had some little snacks and a couple of refreshing drinks. If you are someone who enjoys chilling by the pool with a drink in hand, this is definitely the place to be. After a relaxing time at Flamingo Pool Bar, we headed to Ali Shan for dinner. This is one of the most famous restaurants at JW Marriott Golfire, known for its authentic Indian cuisine. The ambience here is truly royal with stunning views of Nandi Hills. The decor combines traditional Indian elements with modern elegance, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The menu offers a variety of Northwest frontiers dishes including melt in the mouth kebabs, rich curries, and flavorful biryanis. Each dish is prepared using traditional cooking methods and finest ingredients. The staffs were incredibly attentive, and even the chef came to our table to explain the dishes and ensure everything was to our liking. Their passion for food and hospitality truly enhances the dining experience.
So we ordered Nalli Nihari, then one cheese kulcha and one butter naan. So you will find different names for it, like it's Lucknowi Nalli Nihari, cheese kulcha, and for the butter naan it's makhan wale naan. Yeah. Thank you. The first bite. It's good actually.
Had a walk after the dinner, enjoying the vibe of this beautiful property.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सो कल रात एकदम बहुत अच्छे से आलिशान में डिनर करने के बाद इतने दिन से आई वॉज क्रेविंग टू स्लीप प्रॉपरली, क्योंकि बैंगलोर में जहाँ पे मैं रहती थी देर वेर नो AC, नो प्रॉपर बेड, नथिंग. तो बहुत सोने के लिए दिक्कत हो रहा था. एंड इवन आई एम टिल नाउ आई एम स्लीपी. I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to sleep and relax. But no, I'm here for just a day. Like today, I will be checking out. I will be moving back to my home. So, आज I can't sleep. It's morning 7 o'clock, and I have woken up and I have freshened up. And अभी मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा relax कर रही हूँ. बैल्कनी पे बैठ के थोड़ा नज़ारे देख रही हूँ. एंड इट्स सो प्रिटी, लाइक इट्स कम्प्लीटली नेचर फ्रेंडली. एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड द बैंगलोर पीपल. आप लोग इतने सिटीज़ में रहते हो, मतलब टू मच ऑफ ट्रैफिक, पॉल्यूशन, बिल्डिंग्स. आपको अगर कभी भी ये एक्सपीरियंस करना हो, डू विजिट दिस प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल, सो नेचर फ्रेंडली. लाइक एवरीवेयर अराउंड you will see lot and lot of trees, plants, and it's damn pretty. अगर मैं इतनी ज़्यादा फिटनेस फ्रीक होती तो मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठ के मेरे नीचे ही वॉकिंग ट्रैक है, जॉगिंग ट्रैक है, तो वहाँ चली जाती. बट आई एम नॉट अ फिटनेस फ्रीक. आई लव टू स्लीप, व्हाट आई डिड. सो yes, I am enjoying now. अभी कुछ टाइम पे I'll go for breakfast. I am excited. Like actually यहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ तो उसके पहले से मैं ज़्यादा excited हो जा रही हूँ. And to be honest, I'm not at all disappointed in anything. So yeah, breakfast के लिए मिलते हैं. उससे पहले यहाँ पे थोड़े टाइम बैठती हूँ मैं 5-10 मिनट, उसके बाद फिर That one is the bigger golf course. We played in the smaller one. So this is the bigger one. So this is Aviary. Here we have our breakfast. This is another restaurant. So this is Truffle and Co. So it serves with the best bakery and coffee. So let's go inside. So it's beside pool.
They offer a wide variety of dishes to cater to all tastes. From traditional South Indian favorite like idli, dosha and vada to North Indian delights such as parathas and chole bhature. If you are in the mood for something international, they have pancakes, waffles, cereals and fresh fruits along with sushi. One of the highlights is the live cooking stations. You can get eggs made to your liking, fresh doshas and even custom made pancakes. The ambience is just perfect. You can choose to sit indoors and outdoors or enjoy a meal sitting outside with a beautiful view of Nandi Hills, which I preferred. The staff here are incredibly attentive and friendly. They made sure your cup coffee is always full and that you are comfortable throughout your meal. Overall, the breakfast at the Aviary is delightfully experience. It's the perfect way to start your day here at JW Marriott Bangalore Prestige Golf Air Resort and Spa. अरे किच्छी बनी प्लीज प्लीज अरे क्वेश्चन So he ate that sushi and I was saying that don't eat, it's too bad. He wanted to try it and let's see what happened. And I'm having my Caesar salad, but dessert is permanent. So now guys, I'm ready. I'm going to the pool again. कल रात को मैं गई थी pool and रात को जाना और सुबह जाने में there is so much difference and I can't miss going to pool. वैसे भी it's too much of धूप बाहर तो I think कि अभी golf वगैरह खेलने का कोई there is no point. I just don't want to. And उसके बाद I have pool के बाद I have a plan to go to sauna or steam. So let's see. Spa तो I'm not taking for now. This time मैं spa नहीं ले रही हूँ. लेकिन yeah, I'll definitely take this steam or sauna depending on my mood. So अभी के लिए तो it's pool mood. So let's go to the pool. कल रात मैं वैसे भी यहाँ पे ही थी लेकिन रात को द व्यू मैं आपको अच्छे से प्रॉपरली दिखा नहीं पाई थी. इट्स लाइक वेरी बिग पूल. मतलब इस तरफ पूल बार है जहाँ पे कल मैं बैठी थी, और वो साइड पे दिस पूल इज़ लाइक इट्स नॉट एक्यूरेट वन सिंगल शेप, मतलब यहाँ से ऐसे गया है, इट्स लाइक वेवी वेवी एंड ऑल ओवर देयर इट्स राउंडेड एंड दे हैव अ वाटर वॉलीबॉल एरिया एज वेल, वहाँ पे उसका ये नेट है, and again they have this sitting area over there and there, so it's called flamingo pool, and you can see there are cute little flamingos there, वहाँ पे भी है वो साइड पे, या that one, so they have too many flamingos as well, so it's a very pretty pool. And वो छोटा वाला pool जो है stay in the movement वाला जो sign board वाला pool है, that's very small. So they'll provide you this sunscreen lotion and what is this? This is also the sunscreen lotion. So they'll provide lotions to you before going inside the pool. So in case you forget it, then also it's fine. Although I have put, but still sunscreen. I love sunscreen. I'm gonna put so much of sunscreen. I feel so lucky that I have these people around me. Thank you so much. They provided me this complimentary mocktail just for showing their sweet gesture towards us. Thank you very much. So what's your name?
My name is Puri.
So nice meeting you, and you're very sweet. Enjoying this beautiful mocktail by JW Marriott. Thank you so much. I just tasted. I can see it has lychee chili flavor. It's very spicy. I like. This is the first time I'm trying this kind of drink because I love sweet, and this is very nice. Although. So now heading towards spa area where I'll have steam, which is again being given complimentary to me by JW Marriott, and I'm so glad that I came here and I am having a great experience right here. Thank you so much. So here we are. They have separated men and women section. So let's go inside and check. So this is the jacuzzi area. So finally I'm checking out from this beautiful room. This is my outfit. Actually, why I have wore it, I have to do a shoot. So I'm gonna do it with this formal attire. So now I'm going to the entertainment zone and explore a few more things that are left in this property. So till then,
This is a small departure souvenir from our end. Hope you're loving it. And it was lovely hosting both of y'all here. Looking forward to welcoming you back. Now y'all feel like family.
Yes.
After enjoying all the activities, there was just one place left to explore, the entertainment zone. So I decided to check it out. This area is packed with fun games and activities for all ages. Some of the games here are complimentary like table tennis, carom and chess. It's a great spot to unwind and have some fun. For those looking more, there are also paid activities such as mini bowling, pool table, PlayStation and virtual golf simulator. All this come at an additional cost. To wrap up my stay, I made sure to check out their yoga space. It's open, peaceful, and surrounded by greenery. A great place to stretch, breathe, and just feel the calm. Right next to the yoga space, they had the gym. And oh my god, the view from here is absolutely amazing. So they have this beautiful Nandi Hill view straight from the gym. So whenever you're having a gym session, you're running on the treadmill, you can get the view of the Nandi Hill. Every corner of this place is so thoughtfully designed with gardens, open areas and scenic spots where you can just sit and relax.
So finally, this staycation comes to an end. Now I'm heading towards airport. I have a flight to go to my house. I will be traveling to Bhubaneswar, and yes, it was great. And I genuinely love the hospitality and everything. So let's meet again soon, and I hope that again we'll meet on a new property or something exciting. This journey has to end so that a new journey can start.
So that was all about my stay. Hope you loved it. Before leaving, don't forget to just like, share and subscribe my channel.